Hey guys, quick introductory video on how to use FlipGrid. So I'm already on Google Classroom and the assignment on Google Classroom. So yours will look a little different than this, as this is a practice assignment. But you will see a link to help you access the FlipGrid for your class. So you simply click the link and you will see a screen that looks like this. So you are recording a response. So for your class period, this just happens to be sixth period, you will record a response. You will be prompted to log in. All you have to do is join with your school Google account. You feel free if you want to click remember me here so you don't have to log in again and again. Probably a good idea. So I'm going to log in with my school account. Sometimes this takes a minute to load, but once it does, it gives you prompts. So you'll have 2 minutes to record your video. When you're ready to go, you'll very simply click the camera. It should give you a countdown. Use the questions that I've posted to Google Classroom to help drive your introduction. Write down some answers before, plan out your response, always a good idea. And you can always, if you mess up on this, you can always stop, re-record if you need to. I mean, if you stutter once or you mess up once, it's okay. Don't need to do this 25 times. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to hear what you guys have to say, get to know you a little bit, and we'll go from there. So hopefully this video helps.